Today I'm going to show you how to use Fish Audio TTS step by step so you can turn text into natural sounding voice output in just a few clicks. This is a quick and easy workflow, perfect if you want to create voiceovers, test script ideas, or generate audio for content without needing any complicated setup. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to fish.audio TTS. Once the page loads, you'll see the text-to-speech interface, and this is where the whole process begins. The first thing you want to do is choose your voice model. Fish Audio gives you options, so take a moment to listen and pick the one that fits your project best. If you want a calm and clear voice, choose one that sounds more neutral. If you want something more expressive or conversational, test a few different models until you find the right style. Selecting the right voice model matters because it directly affects the tone, pacing, and overall quality of the final audio. After you've picked your voice model, move to the text prompt box. This is where you type or paste the script you want converted into speech. You can keep it short for a quick sample, or enter a longer paragraph if you want to generate a full narration. For the best results, make sure your text is clean, clear, and easy to read. If there are any words you want emphasized, it often helps to structure the text carefully before generating. Once your prompt is ready, double-check that the correct voice model is still selected, because that final check can save you from generating audio with the wrong style. Now, when everything looks good, click Generate. Fish Audio will process your text and create the voice output for you. Depending on the length of your prompt and the system response time, it may take a few moments to finish. When the generation is complete, you can listen to the result and see if it matches what you were aiming for. If it sounds good, you can use it right away for your project. If not, go back, tweak the prompt, try another voice model, and generate it again until you get the sound you want. That's really all there is to it. Go to Fish Audio TTS, choose your voice model, enter your text prompt, and click Generate. It's a straightforward process, but experimenting with different voices and better written text can make a huge difference in the final result. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.